Welcome back to Zen and Hustle. Today I've got some eye-opening news for all you fast food lovers out there. A new report by PlushCare has revealed the most unhealthy fast food burger on the market. Ready to find out which one it is? Let's dive in. So, according to PlushCare, the unhealthiest burger is none other than the cheeseburger from Five Guys. This burger scored a whopping 50 out of 50 on their unhealthiness score. Can you believe it? With 984 calories, 26.5 grams of saturated fat, 8 grams of sugar, and 1050 milligrams of sodium, this burger definitely packs a punch. Unfortunately, not the good kind. But that's not all. Five Guys also took the crown for the least healthy fries. Oof! Close runners-up for the unhealthiest burger title included Whataburger, Smashburger, Carl's Jr., and Sonic. It's clear that while fast food might be convenient, it's not always the best choice for our health. Now don't worry, there are healthier options out there. The healthiest burger, according to the same report, is Culver's Butterburger, coming in at 390 calories, 7 grams of saturated fat, 6 grams of sugar, and 480 milligrams of sodium. Not too shabby, right? McDonald's cheeseburger also made the list of healthier choices with 300 calories, 6 grams of saturated fat, 7 grams of sugar, and 720 milligrams of sodium. Remember, moderation is key. Fast food can be a tasty treat, but it's important to be mindful of what we're consuming. Thanks for spending a few minutes of your valuable time with us. Check out all of our daily videos for more cutting-edge info on mind, body, and ambition. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Zen and Hustle.